The 2025 Skoda Karoq is a compact SUV that has been redesigned for the new model year. It features a new look, new technology, and new powertrains. Let's take a closer look at the whole review. Exterior design. The 2025 Karoq has a more modern and stylish exterior design than the previous model. The front end features a new grille, headlights, and bumper. The side profile is sleek and aerodynamic, and the rear end features new taillights and a diffuser. Interior design. The interior of the 2025 Karoq is also more modern and stylish than the previous model. It features a new dashboard, center console, and seats. The materials are high quality, and the fit and finish is excellent. There is plenty of space for passengers and cargo, and the cabin is comfortable and quiet. Technology. The 2025 Karoq comes standard with a number of new technology features, including a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a suite of driver assistance features. The infotainment system is easy to use and responsive, and the driver assistance features can help to make driving safer and more enjoyable. Powertrains. The 2025 Karoq is available with a number of different powertrains, including gasoline, diesel, and plug-in hybrid engines. The gasoline engines are powerful and efficient, and the diesel engines offer even better fuel economy. The plug-in hybrid engine allows you to drive on electric power for short distances, which can help to save you money on gas. Price. The 2025 Skoda Karoq is expected to start at around $25,000. Release date. The 2025 Skoda Karoq is expected to be released in late 2024. Pros. Stylish design. Comfortable and spacious interior. New technology features. Available with a number of different powertrains. Cons. No all-wheel drive option, not as powerful as some competitors. Verdict. The 2025 Skoda Karoq is a great option for buyers who are looking for a stylish, comfortable, and well-equipped compact SUV. It offers a lot of value for the money, and it is sure to be a popular choice among consumers. Some additional things to consider before buying a 2025 Skoda Karoq. Do you need an all-wheel drive SUV? How important is performance to you? What is your budget?